How's that? The day down here. Okay, you got flowers?
I see the red light. Stop that, Chris.
You see there's no red line. There he is. Mr. America. Yeah.
Alright.
Brian's 3 years.
No, are you serious?
3 years, 1 month.
I thought he was 2.
No, it's 13. God, this is weird. Oh, that's you. You're 13 years, 11 months. Tomorrow is your
birthday! I'm gonna have a movie.
Huh?
Going to the movies.
Okay.
I'm gonna shoot your hands up.
I'm gonna shoot you.
How about you?
Let me smell your feet.
Daddy got flowers. There he is. Mr. America.
Whoa, whoa,
Fireplace.
no.
Who's fighting over there? You look cute, hon. Beautiful flowers. I love you. I was gonna take some video of Brian. Where's Chris?
Let me smell your feet.
Chris, stand up. Stand up. Send this to Grandma. See how tall you are. Whoa, Chris. Brian, stand up next to Chris. You show Grandma how tall you are.
Who's taller?
Well, who's taller? Chris or Brian?
Chris.
Chris? All right.
Not anymore.
Who's taller now?
Who's taller now?
Me.
Yay, Brian. Say hi. Brian, say hi, Papa.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Auntie Shelly.
Hi, Auntie Shelly.
Hi, Kiana Kareem.
Hi, Campy.
Hi, Uncle Andy.
Hi, Uncle Andy.
And Ashley and Evan and Harrison. Ashley,
Yeah.
you say hi, your cousins. Say
Yeah.
hi, cousins.
Hi, cousin.
Say, I love you.
I love you.
We see you soon.
See you soon.
Okay, did you like your movie? Didn't you see your movie? You like your movie, Brian?
Yeah.
Your Aladdin movie?
Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah.
Who's in the bottle?
Brian, turn around. Show me what you're gonna do.
Who's in the bottle?
Dancing.
Dancing? Okay, show me dancing. Wow, look at that dancing. Very good dancing. You do. Chris's turn to dance.
No.
What is he doing?
Good.
Oh, no, don't say that.
Very good, that's good.
Okay, dance again. Wow, look at him dancing. Wow, funny guy. Okay.
It's called the headless chicken.
Like this. I go dance.
There's not much light there. Why don't you go dance by the fireplace so I can see you? I don't know how this is going to turn out.
I go dance with Daddy.
All right, dance by Daddy.
No, that's. I go be first.
Oh, you be first. Okay.
Now Chris is turn. Now you turn that.
Your turn to dance.
Now my turn.
Okay, your turn.
My turn.
Okay, you dance.
He's gonna do the headless chicken.
How about some head banging?
I gotta get some music.
No music.
Cool music. No!
Okay, all done. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Some headbang. 1, 2, 3, go.
Now my
Bye-bye.
turn.
Okay, bye-bye. Love you.
I love you.
Brian, say Happy Hanukkah.
I have dance first.
All right, dance, dance. All right. Good dancing.
Now Chris is turn.
Wait a minute.
No, it's okay. You can do it now. I already did my dance.
Say Happy Hanukkah.
Happy Hanukkah.
Chris, say Happy Hanukkah.
Happy Hanukkah.
Okay, we love you, Grandma and Papa.
Now my turn.
Say we love you, Grandma and Papa. Chris, say hi to Papa and Grandma.
Hi, Papa and Grandma.
Now my turn.
What this?
My turn, Mommy.
Oh, not your turn. Okay. How does it feel to be 14?
Tired.
Tired?
No, I six.
I was
You're
just
6?
Yeah.
Okay,
just
how does it feel to be
practiced basketball
6?
for like 3 hours, so I'm like tired.
How does it feel to be 6, Brian? Feel good? Huh?
Yeah.
Feels good?
Yeah.
Say Shabbat Shalom.
Hey.
Shabbat Shalom.
Hey.
Shabbat, 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 Shalom. Hey!
Hey.
Say bim.
Oh, I say that way. Oh, I say.
Alright, we'll look at, take a picture of video of Chris's cake. Here we come. Oh, seasick here. Who's that guy playing basketball? Looks like Chris. Happy birthday. Happy 14th birthday.
No, no.
Hey, Chris. Looks like Chris. And there he is. Ah! Look at this.
No, I say happy
Who put
birthday.
that candle there?
Happy
Short.
Report it. My
Okay, he's singing. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday. No, I blow out a candle.
Happy birthday to
No,
you.
I blow out a candle.
You can help me?
Happy birthday, dear.
It's my birthday.
Wait. Happy birthday, dear Chris.
No,
Happy birthday to you.
no, don't blow it.
Yay.
Love
You can help me. I have to do it. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
All right.
That's how we always talk about videos. Is it working?
Oh, isn't that nice? That's perfect.
Yeah, that's pretty weird.
That's for your baby's room.
Oh, it's upside down.
That's good, Micah.
Next week it's no, the week after it's Deep Space.
Deep Space Nine, yeah.
But it's a totally new crew, and I think it's a new series.
It's not in addition to this.
It says it's Thursday night.
It's not in.
Spin-off and it's on a Starbase. It's not on
Starship.
not on the ship, it's on the Starbase.
I don't know.
Say hi, Joanna. To my camera.
How could you have any fun if you're not?
Say hello.
It's regular.
Lisa. Lisa, say hello. How are you? You look so pretty. Your mom just, she's so nice. Beautiful dress. Wait, stand back. Oh, look how beautiful she is. All right. Now we have to walk through. This always makes people sick when you do this. Because they get dizzy when they watch this video. Hi, Anatole. Hello. How are you? Happy Hanukkah.
Wave your hand.
Say something.
Yeah.
Hi, Jam. How are you? You have a good time?
Oh, yes, thank you very much.
All right.
It's very nice to get our holiday presents for everybody.
Oh, hey.
Yes, and here's our
Here's Deb.
Oh, the video here.
Oh, there you go. Now she has to have a party.
Just here playing with the Play-Doh.
She's still playing with Play-Doh, boy.
Look what we made. Zoom in on this.
What is that? Wait a minute here. Wait, I'm not.
Doesn't hold the pictures very well, but it's real.
Oh my goodness. Very good. Hey, Chris, you having a good time?
Down here.
Down here? Who could be down there? It's Brad Fisher! Sorry. Well, I'm glad you all could make it. Happy Hanukkah to everybody. And well, Merry Christmas. We don't show by it.
Not done. To eat here.
Huh?
Everything to eat.
Yeah, I had a couple left because I it worked out good. Hi, Rena. You like your hair? It's fun. Right here.
It's a vlog. No. No. My hand came off. No.
Go stand next to Carl. Let's take video of Carl. 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 Go see Carl. Oh my goodness. Go see Carl. Go stand with your friend. Go stand with your friend. Carl. Turn around. Say hi.
There's something very important.
Who?
Like the menorah.
Oh, that's right.
Last night.
We will do that. Chris.
Look up the regs, but it's either 30 or 60 days after you get the bill.
Like, yes.
Chris,
you have
the
plenty of
blessings.
time to
Girl,
sit
stand over there so I get you in the video. Come on, go in the picture.
In the first place.
No, well, they've already.
Lisa, Arena, stand by Chris.
got paid.
You know the blessing?
The money transfers the
Okay.
transfers the same day.
Blessing.
Rental version of the first telephone evolved the party line. The party line served 5 to 6 households or individuals together.
Hey, ladies first.
Yeah, come on.
on, man.
What are you
Open
talking
it.
about? I need the phone right now.
Hey, man, hold on. I don't want the phone. So
This
long.
phone.
Oh,
I want to use the
find
telephone
it.
this century.
I know. Okay.
Oh, this is the real one, right? Soon there were telephones in almost every household, and the problem of the party line was avoided.
After people got individual phones, communication got much, much easier.
Hello? Hello? Nancy? Yeah, hi. This is Candace. Hi. What's up? Oh, nothing. Because I just finished talking to Becky, you know?
Oh, really?
And
So how's Bob and Becky doing?
I don't know, they're not working out. Because, like,
Why not?
Bob's all saying that she says she likes him a lot, but Becky's not, she's not really sure. Right. Okay, now what?
Hello, Mr. to Nancy?
Yeah, this is her.
Nancy, this is Candace.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing much. Hey, I could see you.
I know, these new VI phones are like so cool.
I know, they're so
cool. Okay, so what if you call your boyfriend though, and he sees you and you're all like...
I know. Well, one bad thing is that he might see the bad side of me.
No, there's no bad side. Is there?
Hey Samson, how you doing? Jeez, I got a report tomorrow, and it's due for Sunseon. And let's see, do you have a Sunseon? Guess not. Okay. See, I can talk to Beth. Wait, I can't talk to him. He's over at his house right now, but that's too far to walk because if I walk there, it'll rain. See, I can't send him a piece of mail. What can I do? Please, God, send me an object that will help me. Ah, it's the invention of Alexander Graham Bell. Hi, Macbeth. Yeah, I was wondering about the Essentials project.